Say about this Aam Aadmi Party accepting your challenge. You had challenged Mr. Kejriwal, and Palikar has been ready now. So, what do you have to say on this?
See, Arvind Kejriwal is an ex-IRS officer. Arvind Kejriwal is the ex-chief minister of Delhi and the current convener, national convener of Aam Aadmi Party. Now, when such a responsible person comes to Goa and makes irresponsible statement, this is not acceptable. Now, he made a claim that my mines are working in Goa. So I had put out a video and challenged him to come for an open debate, because he said that he heard this gossip on some aircraft and when he was traveling to Goa. Now, who has told this gossip? And a leader like Arvind Kejriwal speaks on a public platform. This gossip shows that what is Aam Aadmi's culture. When I put out a challenge, I don't understand why Amit Palekar had to jump in. So probably it looks like Amit Palekar was the one who has given him this gossip. Now the question is, till date, Arvind Kejriwal has not accepted. And if we see the trend, in last 2-3 days they are in Goa. Whom is he attacking? He is attacking the Congress party. Today, the crux of the matter is, people are fed up with BJP. The corruption of BJP has to come out. We are fighting against the BJP. I don't understand the logic why they are attacking Congress party. It is very clear and it shows that BJP has sent these people just to create an atmosphere of division and split Congress votes. Otherwise, if they had guts, they should have gone to Sakli and held a meeting. If they had guts, they should have gone to Valpo and held a meeting. Why are they having meetings where there is Congress stronghold? गोंयची जनता ही हुशार आहा. अरविंद केजरीवालान झोपडपट्टेन दिल्लीन वचून लोकांक पिशान काडपाक शकता, पूण गोंयचे लोक झोपडपट्टेन रावना. गोंयच्या लोकांक तूं पिसो करपाक शकना. सो माय ओनली एडवाइस टू देम इज, डोंट टॉक ऑन गॉसिप्स, टॉक ऑन फॅक्ट्स. इफ यू हॅव फॅक्ट्स, लेट्स कम एंड डिस्कस. बट अरविंद केजरीवाल डजंट हॅव द गट्स बिकॉज दे डोंट हॅव फॅक्ट्स. सो आय थिंक लोकांक मिसगायड करप आनी अशें लोकांक डिफेम करप बेजीड ऑन गॉसिप, आय थिंक ताज्या सारक्या लिडराक हें शोभत दिसना. इट डजंट सूट ऑन अ लीडर विथ हीज स्टेचर, बिकॉज ही इज बीन एन एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर अँड ही नोज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. ही मेक्स अ क्लेम दॅट चीफ मिनिस्टरच्या आशिर्वादान म्हणतो हें सगळें चलता. सो गोंयांत जितले लोक प्रामाणीकपणे लेजिटिमेट बिझनेस करता ते सगळे प्रमोद सावंताच्या आशिर्वादान चलता. अरे ह्या देशान कायदो काजून कांयच ना. वॉट डज दीस प्रूव? So this is, I think, immature, irresponsible statement made by.
See, the opposition call has been always that opposition should be united to fight the elections against BJP. But now with this infighting, like Congress calling B team.
This thing is always there. In assembly, you see our leader of opposition has taken everybody together. Here on the outside also, we have never criticized any opposition party. Our aim is BJP. I think let's focus on BJP rather than these people like Aam Aadmi who are coming to Goa and trying to disturb the working of all opposition parties.